an offensive operation under the command of Commander Babruban Yadav on the port city of Karachi. Operation Trident, which was conducted on the night of 4th of December, inflicted heavy damage on Pakistani warships and defense establishments, while India suffered no loss. Ever since then, Indian Navy Day is celebrated on the 4th of December to recognize all the achievements of our Indian Navy in safeguarding our country's honor. This evening, officers and sailors of INS Hamla are here to honor and commemorate the brave hearts of Indian Navy who not only face the enemies with courage and valor, but also protect our motherland from ocean intruders, thus ensuring what is ours will remain ours. Today's musical evening will be conducted by R.K. Bharadwaj, Chief Petty Officer, Musician. Without making you wait any longer, let me introduce you to the band of INS Hamla. For the first performance of today, the band will perform Jacob Dehaan's Cornfield Rock.